everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair and tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Give it a ribbony look, then tie it another in 2 consecutive parts. Repeat the same process of giving it a ribbony look. Then tie the lower part of the hair in the form of plaits and then roll it upwards and secure it tightly with the help of a clutcher. Repeat the same process with the other part of the hair as well. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower part of the hair, tie it again, divide it into 2 parts, tie it in the form of a plaits and form it like a knot. Repeat the same process again with the help of a knot. Take the lower hair, tie it with the help of a rubber band and then make it through the gap of the upper part. Secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then take the lower part of the hair, divide it into 2 parts, tie both of them, tie the lower end again, insert it through the gap of the upper part, then carefully insert it through the gap of upper part again, giving it a heart-shaped look. Tie the lower end with the help of a rubber band, make a gap, insert the hair, insert it through the upper part and then you are done. You can decorate it with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower parts, divide it into 2 and start forming plaits out of both the parts. The plait should be very consistent and clean. Always remember the plait should be thin. Then repeat the same process with both the parts of the hair and then secure it tightly with the help of a clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Secure it tightly with the help of a clutcher. Then take 2 strands of hair from every side and keep tying it with a rubber band. Give it in 2 layers, then take the lower end of the hair and start forming plaits out of them. Tie the lower part of the plait with a rubber band and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take other half of the hair as well. Repeat the same process. Insert the upper ponytail inside the lower ponytail. Give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands. Take the lower part, tie it in the form of a rubber band, roll it around the upper part and then secure it properly with a rubber band. You are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take 1 strand of hair from each side and tie it in the form of side half ponytail. Repeat the same process of tying it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower remaining part of the hair, tie plaits out of them, tie the lower end with the help of a rubber band, roll the plait upwards and then secure it tightly with the help of small clutcher. You can also decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a knot. Tie the lower end with a rubber band. Repeat the same process with the other half of the hair as well. Tie the lower end with a rubber band, roll it upwards and decorate it with a butterfly clip. Thank you for watching.